So recently the engine mount of our Ford Aspire is worn out. In order to replace, I bought this engine mount. It cost around 3,200 and this is the part number. And this will be common across Aspire, Figo and Freestyle. So there are totally three mounts. But as of now, only the mount A has gone. So we have three mounts, namely A, B, C. And this is the A mount, which will be coming on the left side of engine. So B will be on the right side of engine. And C will be sometime called as transmission mount. It will be present under the engine. So let's begin with the process. First, we have to lift the car, but while placing the jack should be placed such that it holds the engine. It should not be placed on the chassis. It should be placed such that it holds the engine. That's very important. And to begin with, we have to first remove the radiator box. For that, I have to remove this nut, and I can remove this radiator box. To remove the radiator one, we have two hoses. Just unplug them and keep the radiator box aside. Followed by that, we have to remove the engine mount. So to remove the engine mount, there are totally 6 nuts which we have to remove. So this is the first one. Then we have 3 consecutive nuts. So we have to remove all the three one by one. One, so two, and three. So in total, we have removed 4 nuts till now. Fourth one is being removed. And then the fifth nut will be in the opposite side of the first nut. I think it's understandable what I'm trying to say. So you have to remove that nut. And there is one more which is under the radiator box. So totally 6 nuts has to be removed. Once it's removed, the engine mount comes out easily. But please ensure that you have placed the jack below the engine safely, because we are removing the engine mount itself. And this engine mount is totally worn out. It will actually get a crack. And this is the new one. Engine mount actually cushions the engine. It absorbs all the vibrations and such that you don't get any vibration inside the car, because the vibration gets arrested with that rubber mount. So to place this, that's it. So we have to do the reverse process now. We have to place all the 6 nuts. I think now it should be very clear what are the nuts we have to remove and replace. The process is very simple, but the thing is, uh, the jack that you place below the engine, that's very important. Ensure that you tighten it to the hole. Um, since it holds the engine, there should be no compromise in tightening this bolts. Once you have tightened all this, the next step is to place the radiator box in its position, and then we have to connect those two hoses that we have removed, and also one more nut behind the radiator box that we removed. So that's it. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.